Well guys, welcome back to the channel. What are we doing today, Arch?
We're gonna be unboxing some stuff from Waller's, and my grandpa and cousin are gonna be coming over with a scale table.
Yeah, we got a new scale table. Hopefully it works. It was from one of our friends that they raise quarter midgets. All their kids are done doing that stuff, so gonna try and pick that up. Hopefully it works when they bring it down, and then yeah, we can get unboxing some wheels and tires.
Yeah. How do I use this?
Cut the tape with it. No, you gotta put the blade on it. The blade side, like this. Just be careful. Cut away from yourself. Oh my God. You're so bad at this.
I got one piece at both.
Here.
What's in here?
It's just junk. It's cardboard.
These look a lot different than my normal tires.
Yeah, be running yellow Vegas down in Iowa here. It's kind of an odd wheel and tire setup that we're not used to. So like left rear will run a, what we typically run on the left front will also be on the left rear. And then you run your two big
These are
right
nice
sides.
because they're prepped already.
Somewhat prepped already.
We just got one set, right?
Yep.
Okay. I can smell them.
Oh yeah.
I think they might use simple green.
Probably not simple green. All right.
Hey, my favorite thing, a plain box.
A new box. All right, so what are we gonna do while we wait now?
We're gonna take the side panels off and do some fiberglass work.
Got a little damage here and popped through the other side, so we'll try and fix that up and make these side panels last as long as we can. Think you can do that?
Yeah, I don't even think we're gonna need to get these wrapped.
We'll see.
Rewrapped.
You're gonna have to hold it tight.
You hold it. That hurt.
You're fine. All right, give her. Okay. Should have the nut off, right?
Somewhere in there.
Dump in my hand.
Did we ever have side panels on the old cart, or is it just open here?
We had side panels.
Well, we got that side off. Is that all we're doing for now? And then
We'll pull the nose off.
Okay. Dad's gonna teach me how to do this fiberglass stuff.
Yeah, we'll see what we can do. First, got some 80 grit. You're gonna sand down around all this stuff.
Like just
By
around
the cracks. You can give her Sand the crap out of it.
It's fiberglass, so it doesn't like to move as fast as I want it to.
What the heck are you talking about? Keep working.
You're going over it.
Yeah.
You can do that?
Yeah. We're gonna fix the crap.
Only around.
Just clean the whole thing. Now we're gonna do some acetone, clean it up a little bit. Just make sure gets all the crap off it.
Why is it so wet?
Because it's
Is it fine for me to touch?
yes.
Okay.
Okay, do the other one. Okay, that's good. You can throw that away. We already pre-cut some chunks of mat to cover it. We're gonna mix up some resin, and then we'll have Archer throw some gloves on and let him do it, and probably open a window here so don't, kill us.
Just so you know, these gloves don't like to stay on me.
It'll be all right. I gotta mix this up with something.
Hey, this is easy. All I have to do is put the gloves on.
Okay, so we're gonna put some of this down to cover up all the cracks and about 2 inches away from it. And then you'll put a layer of the mat down on there. This stuff. And then you'll dab this stuff on there and get it soaked in. And then we'll put another layer down. Do the same thing. Okay?
So how far away?
2 inches or so.
How do I know when it's 2 inches?
Because it'll be around it.
It's on it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, just taking. Spread her out. Just keep it around that spot though. You gotta get down a little more. Make sure you get it out into here.
What's that smell?
It's this stuff.
It stinks.
Yep. Okay. And dab that all around. You gotta get that thing completely soaked.
What are we gonna do after this?
Grandpa Jay and Kato should be here pretty soon.
And maybe Koi.
Maybe.
I'm pretty sure he wants to come.
I don't know, it's football day today.
For who?
Koi, he likes to watch his football on Sundays.
I can put him in a house. Mom yells at us because we have to bring the goal card in so he can watch both things.
That looks pretty good.
Okay.
Well, yeah, not too bad for not knowing what we're doing.
Now what do we do with it? Let it sit?
Yep, now we just gotta wait and let it dry. Looks pretty good, huh? You can throw that brush away in your gloves.
What if it drips on the floor?
That's fine. It's the garage. Well, as you can see, got the scale table all set up, leveled. Got the cart sitting on it right now, but we got a few things to change setup wise before we have it completely ready to toss on the scales and get going. But Grandpa Jay and Caden came down, helped us out, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was kind of all trying to get the scale table figured out so I could get it level and stuff.
Yep. And then we sat around just hanging out and talking
racing.
Yeah, talking all about it.
Well, that's going to do it for today's video. If you like what you've seen, make sure to like and subscribe to see more content coming out.